In this video, we'll learn how to add a new rendering provider in PinkyBill. Click on the Settings button in the top right navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Practice. Choose your desired practice from the list. Click on the Rendering Provider tab. Click the Add Rendering Provider button. For CMS 1500, fill in the following form: personal information, contact information, professional information. Optional, upload signature image if the provider will be used for reports or RFAs. Click the Add button to save. Your rendering provider is now successfully added to the system. For NCPDP, this is the form to be filled out. An additional row for address info is included in this.
PinkyBill